Have you ever been to a farm? What do you think about when you think about farms? What about the huge vehicles like tractors? Wow, tractors are so cool. And have you ever seen a baler? Look at that baler go. And of course, we can't forget about trucks. Trucks are very important to get work done on a farm. And then there's a barn. The barn stores the hay. Lots of different animals live in the barn. And that brings me to my favorite part about the farm. It's animals. Have you ever heard about Old Macdonald? He had a farm with all sorts of animals on it. And there's even a song about him. Have you heard it before? In Old Macdonald Had a Farm, we learn about all the animals and all the different kinds of sounds they make.